They have brown eyes.
Brown skin, they look like little tiny teddy bears. You just walk up to him, kiss him. What the fuck? You can't take him seriously. I'm going to eat your ass. Come on, eat. Give me a Bugs Bunny kiss. They're so cute. They could be lawyers. Your Honor, God said I'm going to down, right? You reckon you're all sticky. Come on. They percolate when they talk. Well, I'm doing karaoke, but a lot of people take that karaoke a little too seriously, don't they? I'm gonna be a star. If you ever want to fuck up a karaoke, this is what you do, okay? Take your drink, put it right in front of your face, and make this noise. It fucks them up when they're singing. It's fucking hilarious. Now, nobody's gonna make it, no one's gonna laugh for like the first 15 minutes. Everyone's gonna be like, what the fuck's going on? Just keep on just going. These are like true stories that's really happened during karaoke. It must have been love, but it's over now. Must have been. Everyone's making noises. Stop that shit. If you stop that shit, if they catch on to you, you gotta act like you hear it. He's a cold-hearted snake. Look into his eyes. Okay, what the fuck's going on? Stop doing that shit! Now, there's always that one guy who thinks he's a shit, right? Who comes in and thinks he's really good. You just wait till I go up. Come on, go right. That's the guy you fuck with. That's the man. It hurts so good. Come on, baby. All right, man. Where the fuck are you? Come on out. If you make him cuss, that's when you get points. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. We got. Come on, you faggot. What the fuck's going on? Now, black people, you gotta watch out for that. Yeah, they will hunt you down. All the wings of love. No live. Hey man, what the fuck's going on? I'm pretty good at it too, man. I'm really good. I'm pretty good. I'm a ninja when it comes down to it. Because I go on dates with girls. The girls go, "What do you do for a living?" I go, "I fuck up karaoke's." And I almost got caught in San Francisco. So, oh my God, it was called karaoke. And the guy shut down the show immediately. He's like, abracadabra. Gonna reach out and, what the fuck was that? Someone's making ass noises. Stop it! And I'm in the front of the stage. I'm like, holy shit, he's gonna catch me. What the fuck, right? And he's like, so in order for him to not know it's me, I ninjutsu'd my way across stage. So now he doesn't know it's me. He's like, come on, make that noise! Stop it! Now when Indian people do it, they blame their friends. It's fucking hilarious. They do. I'm up the lonely road. Stop it, Saeed! What the fuck are you doing? It's fucking hilarious. And they get so drunk they forget the lyrics. Oh, you got there for the way I use my watch for the woman. No time to talk. You might not think that it's over.